Assalamu alaikum. So it's morning time. Now I'm gonna fresh. This is my brush as you can see in my hand. And mostly people washing their face as you can see. Washing their face and washing their hands. Now it's my turn. The faucet is full of these people. Yeah. My teeth is really yellow. Even I'm brushing every day. I don't know what is the reason. I am using branded Colgate to clean it, but it's not getting clean. It's not getting white, like sky, like white color. You know who is this guy? This is where I'm living currently. That is my room, and the condition of my room is really worse. I'll give you my room tour one day. Okay, I'll meet you after fresh shining up because I'm getting late for my work. I'm late as every day. You know, I'm sleeping lately in the night. Therefore, I'm always being late for my work. I can't do anything. I'm fulfilling my responsibility as much as possible. So right now I'm going. So it's morning view. Oh my god. There is Oh my god, there is very trash in this room. What no one living in that room. So I always pass through here, as you know. I told you in many previous blogs. My work is 500 kilometers away from my room. I'm passing through inside the company because there is man rude in the company to approach the work. As you can see, massive tank here, a massive crane. I'm working in that part of the company. Finally, I have entered in the company. As you can see, I'm in the office of the company. I placed my bag over here. Oh my god, look here. This is massive fan, but I'm not gonna switch on because I'm feeling cold. By chance I open it, I can be under the weather. And here are two big electric board. You know, today we are gonna lift heavy weight. This crane getting ready for lift the weight. We are gonna lift weight from over there and we will shift weight here inside this tank. All people preparing for that. The all teammates has gone over there to bind the material. You know, this company is surrounded by buildings, as I show you many times in my previous blogs. So you can see the buildings all around this company. You can see over there, you can see over there, you can see all in all directions. Today we did not eat lunch, so we are gonna eat samosas because today's work is very urgent for everyone. Therefore everyone is staying here on the site, so we are having breakfast with samosas. Everyone eating samosas. As you can see, some people sitting over there and eating samosas. So our breakfast is done. Now we are starting our work again. As you can see, the heavy crane has started. That crane lifting heavy weight, as I told you many times. He lives in my village. He's laughing. I don't know. He's hamare chacha. He's our chacha. He's our uncle. He's our colleague. And this man watching reels after work. We are enjoying interesting view from here. 2 or 3, 5 people working on that gas holder. Crane works has been done. The crane has gone. Now I'm sitting here in the office of this company, and I'm writing something on my notebook. I can't tell you what actually I'm writing. It's for my privacy. By the way, I'm gonna talk with random person on one application. Let's see with whom I'm gonna connect. I'm from Uttar Pradesh and I'm working right now in a company in Ahmedabad.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah. What's your profession?
Like, I'm student. I have completed my graduation in this year and I'm preparing CAT for MBA. That's it.
Okay, good. So,
Yeah.
where are you from?
I'm from Bihar.
Bihar. Oh, you are my neighbor.
No, maybe UP is very
Far.
have
No, UP is not very far from Bihar. We are very close.
okay. So tell me about something. Do you have any topic?
No, my mind is always blank when someone discuss about topic. If you have, you can start. She has gone because she is not understanding me what I'm speaking right now. I was talking with random person on a application. I'm not gonna tell you the name of the application because this is for my privacy and I don't want to promote that application where actually I'm talking with people. I have written that I had wrote. Now I'm gonna look around what my team members actually doing because it's really important to see what they are doing because it's my work, it's my duty. I have to come look inside this tank. So we have two welders. One welder is here who's welding on this pipeline and he has one helper who is helping him in this difficult situation. You can see how this man welding right now, and I'll show you another one. That welder is out from this tank and he's welding on the bottom of this tank. So one welder is here and whose helper is here. I think he's servicing of the welding machine. The welding machine has broken down. You can see. Now I'm gonna look top of this tank because I did not climb from couple of hours because some people working on the top of this tank, they are joining dome. You know what is dome? Okay, I know you don't know, so I want to show you the dome. Now I'm climbing on this tank. This is really tough task for me. If you climb, you will be tired. So this is called dome. Yeah, this one is dome. Yeah, this dome seems a dome in shape. Some people working over there, some people working over there, and I'm just walking here and I'm enjoying the moment. कैसा चल रहा है काम? बढ़िया? एकदम बढ़िया. And you can see this man cutting iron. No, this man cutting dome. I'm out from the company in order to withdraw money. I don't like one thing about here. Everything is very far. As you know, the ATM is 1.5 kilometer away from the company where actually I'm working. So, and there is no facility of public transport. I have to walk on my foot, and the ATM is over there. It's about 1.5 kilometer, and you can see my breath. I'm taking ulti seedhi सांसें. By the way, people heading from their work, as you can see, it's 5 o'clock at evening. Yeah, the mostly people is here 9 to 5 or maybe 9 to 6. Yeah, you can see. But I'm not doing work in the morning. It's up to me. Right now I'm working on service road. Yeah, This is service road, and you can see the main road is over there, and there is very traffic. You don't have there to across the road. Yeah, you can see very traffic on the road. So I'm about to reach in 1 minute at ATM. But you know, I love to book. Yeah, and here is one hotel rooms and banquet luxury. Oh wow, one day I'll stay in that type of hotel in my life, inshallah. Finally I have arrived. As you can see, that is the main ATM of HDFC branch. I always withdraw money from here. Oh, no one is inside this ATM. I'm very happy. I'm the only here. Now I can withdraw all money from this ATM, but I don't have much money. I'm gonna withdraw only pocket money. Here you go. I need only 1000. It's time for type my pin, but I'm not gonna show you. It's for my privacy.
Enter your PIN. Please count the keypad while entering your PIN.
Enter.
Collect your cards. Please collect your cash. Please collect.
So here you can see I got money. Now I'm gonna keep it in my pocket. Now I'm going back to my company. Wow, here is lots of car. This is Balano. Yeah, which one is this? I don't know. So now I'm going. If I got something to eat in the middle bay of road, so I'll purchase because I want to eat something cold. And here is one kid, as you can see. I don't know what is he doing. I know it could be with his mother, because I saw many women here working. Yeah, I really appreciate them. They are really working hard. Okay, let's see. In the middle bay of road, what can I buy for it? A boy is coming. Hello. I said hello to this guy, but he was kinda confused. I can't do anything. You know, many Indian people doesn't know how to speak English. This is really difficult. Yeah, because this is not our first language. This is our second language. We have various languages in India, but most popular language is Hindi and English. I saw a fruit stall over there. I think oh my god, he's driving so fast. He can hit anyone. So कितने रुपए किलो है ये 40 का 500 ग्राम दे दो, हाफ केजी दे दो. So as you can see, right now I'm buying some oranges. Yeah, because I was feeling appetite, and here is lots of fruits. As you can see, guava, banana, papaya, and I don't know which one is this. So I have to pay now. I purchased this orange in 40 rupees. Thank you. So here you can see oranges in my hand. Now I'll eat these oranges in the company because I don't have my backpack here. Yeah, and I really don't like to carry anything in my hand. Yeah, sometimes I feel bad. Yeah, you can say that. I think my camera battery gonna be drained quickly, so I have to I have to stop the video. Yeah, it's about 10 or 20%. And here is one small shop. I have never tried anything from this shop. Auto rickshaw, my favorite one. I love auto ride, as you know. Yeah, so I'm working in this company. As you can see, the name has written on the top, CIL Nova. There are many people who's are working, but my work is little bit challenging, as you know. I show you everything. This is the piece of orange. I already tried. This is very sour. So right now I'm on my bed. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you enjoyed this vlog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Okay, bye, take care.